Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to read books and purchase books in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If your hobby is reading, don't worry, you can still do that in Heartopia. If you want to read a book, you can go to the bookstore right here. You can track this bookstore and then you're going to go to this bookstore and select the book that you want to read. There are some themes or some types of book. This is for the fishing catalog, and then you can start reading. Okay, you can read the information right here. And also, there is a book about cooking and gardening. Let me open it. Okay, this is about the cooking basics, and about the amazing seasoning, universal ingredient. Wow, they are so cool. And if you want to purchase a book, you can go to this rack. I don't know, and click this bookstall. Click on this menu, and you can buy a book right here. And I've already purchased this one, Emotional State. Okay, guys, and that's how you can read books and purchase books in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!